Have you stitched out your stitch book yet? I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and one of the things we talk about, whether you have a new machine or a machine that you're just not using to the fullest, is to start stitching out every one of the decorative stitches. Now on the Bernina 790 Plus, which we are filming right now, over 120 videos, you can get started on this now. Now, part of our Bernina Stitching Cosmos online course, we have 10 videos that you can preview for free, and one of them is how to make the ultimate stitch book. We'll talk about fabrics, stabilizers, and threads, and give you something to work on as we are filming all these fabulous videos. And you are going to build confidence in the use of this machine, get you familiar with your menus, your buttons, your thread cutter. All those things become more natural the more you use this machine. So I hope you'll take some time, stitch out your stitch book, send me pictures, post them on our Facebook group. By the way, there is a Facebook group for the Bernina Stitching Cosmos online course that you can hop over now and see what everybody is working on. So we'll see you at the next video as we continue all the videos that we're doing for free on YouTube on this fabulous machine.